Hi, my name is Anthony Green, and this is my partner.
Hi, my name is Harmony Kalaman. Our chapter name for our project is Kapolei High School FCCLA 13389.
Our event name is Culinary Math Management. We are both level 3s. These first 4 paid slides is proof of our file folder. The project that we were given for this was the World Cafe project. In this project, we were to research a country and find recipes in it.
So for our first conversion example, we chose one of our recipes, which was French onion soup. So the recipe for this calls for 8 servings and 1.5 cup of unsalted butter. So we had to convert it into 4 servings. So 1/2 cup of unsalted butter would turn into 1/4 of unsalted butter, and for the rest of the recipe and so on, in order to have 4 servings.
In conversion example number 2, we were finding the cost of the flour that will be used in the recipe. The recipe calls for 2 tablespoons of flour, and a 5-pound of bags of all-purpose flour costs $5.36. To find how much the unit price is for the flour that needed, we would need to convert it down to tablespoons first. 1 pound of flour would equal 58 and 1/16 tablespoons. To find out how much is in the bag, we would multiply it by 5, which would equal to 292.5 tablespoons. To find the price per tablespoon, we would divide the amount of tablespoons inside of the bag by the price, which is $5.36. That will come out as 2 cents per tablespoon. To find the cost of the flour needed in the recipe, we would multiply it by 2 for 2 tablespoons, which would give us 4 cents. Overall, the flour used in the recipe would cost 4 cents.
So continuing on from our French onion recipe, so what we have listed on the board here is the unit prices for the ingredient for the 4 servings recipe. So 1 cup of unsalted butter, and which is $1.28. So we found the unit prices for the 4 serving recipe, and by finding the unit prices for how much is needed to have the 4 servings, we got a grand total of $55.23. Over here we have our works cited page on where we got our project researches from.
And then this is our proof that we completed our test.
So one of the questions we have from our judges, what is one skill that you learned or improved on during your project that you will use in school next year or in your future career?
One of the skills that we've improved on was our time management.
What obstacles caused challenges in your work, and how did you address them? So one of the obstacles we had was time management as well. Due to us having our own schedules, we had to figure out a time where it would be best for us to film and work on the project. And this concludes our project video. Yay!